welcome to my channel. My name is Alyssa. I'm so glad you're here, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. I absolutely love luxury items, especially Louis Vuitton, so every time I get an item I like to unbox it with you guys. So I have actually already unboxed this and wore it once, but I did like a reel on me unboxing it, and I guess it was just too short and a lot of people got upset. And some people actually messaged me and was like, that's not a good enough unboxing. So I just reboxed it and figured, let me just open it with you guys. So if you get this shoe, then you kind of know what to expect. So I did pick it up in store. So it's going to come in a bag like this. And I got it in a box. So the box is pretty big. And you slide it out, and inside they wrap the boots. So I got a size 38. I'm normally a size 37, but with all of my Louis Vuitton shoes, I have sized up to a 38. They tend to run small. However, these don't run small for me. I just like to wear really, really thick wool socks in the winter, so I sized up. So this is shoe number 1, and this to me is an absolute staple. I love this shoe. I don't like to get stuff that is super popular. I've seen a couple people wear this, but I haven't seen too many people in person have it. I've seen like influencers and stuff, but I absolutely love this shoe. Very, very thick, chunky heel. This is what the bottom looks like. This is like leather. For the shoestrings, they actually will give you extra ones, so it just came like this and it's in there. So I guess these wear down, you need more, they got you. And then this is the other shoe. Same shoe, other side. So, like I said, I have already worn these. I do like them. I've heard a couple of people say that they're uncomfortable, but that's why I sized up to kind of prevent that. I think you can get a lot of use on this. I'm really hoping this doesn't wear down. I have one of the Louis Vuitton sandals and it kind of wore down, so I did, add something to it, but I'm hoping that these, I don't really have to worry about that. This little loop here helps you pull the shoe on. These are what they look like together. And so really quick video, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like when you first get it. And I'm sure if you did shipping, they would just put it this way, and instead of it being in a bag, you would just get it in a box. And that is pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.